if you want to transfer data from your iPhone to Realme Note 70T, then we can use the Clone Phone app that we can find over here in the app drawer. It is a pre-installed app that you should be able to find on your Realme Note 70T, and we can use it in order to transfer data. More precisely, let's open it, and of course we will have to download a similar app on your iPhone. So let's go to the App Store, and of course we're gonna go ahead and search for this app. So we're just gonna type Clone Phone, and there we go. And we are looking for the app from Oppo. There we go. So over here, as you can see, we have Clone Phone, and let's get it. Make sure that you're actually downloading this one, because this is the one that we are looking for. And once we download the app, let's open it. Over here, we need to press agree and continue, and then allow notifications. Now over here, we need to select on our Realme Note 70T that this is the new device, since we want to transfer from iPhone to our Realme. And up here, we need to select that we want to migrate data from iPhone. Now we will generate this QR code in order to connect with the iPhone. So on our iPhone, we need to select that this is the old phone, and we need to select the data that we want to migrate. Of course, you can select everything. In my case, I just want to migrate photos, and that's it. I don't want to transfer anything else. And we're gonna press continue. Now over here, we need to grant the access, so I'm gonna allow full access over here. There we go. And now we need to scan the QR code that we have on our Realme Note 70T. So let's do this. There we go, and confirm that you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, because the hotspot will be generated to transfer the data. And there we go. Now we are connecting. And now we need to simply patiently wait. Oh, first we need to once again select what we want to transfer. So in my case, I have photos, and I'm gonna migrate them. And there we go. After that, once we transfer everything, we should see that the transfer is completed. And you should be able to find everything that you decided to transfer on your Realme Note 70T. And we can transfer most of the data. Definitely the exception is, for example, apps. If you have certain apps on your iPhone that you wish to also use on your Realme Note 70T, then in that case you need to go to the Play Store and download these apps again, because we cannot really transfer apps from iPhones to Android smartphones. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.